Hi, my name is William Caldero. My field of study is going to be social services. I like to work with VA, um, helping others. I'm pretty sure I understand. As a veteran, I know how difficult it is to transition. Sometimes people just lose their way and need a helping hand. I hope to learn about substance abuse. I know a lot runs rampant through the military, uh, among other places, but there's a pretty big alcohol culture in the military. So it's not surprising when a soldier comes back and they have substance abuse issues. So I'd like to learn how to, you know, navigate through that, talk about it, and figure out what steps are best to find recovery. Right now, I work full time. That's why I'm doing online courses mixed in with regular. Helps my schedule a little bit. Uh, and the last thing is, I think this class is going to really help with the. I'm trying to work with the VA, and obviously, substance abuse, like I said, you have PTSD. Sometimes doctors just throw pills at you. There's all kinds of stories that you hear. I think it's just going to be a very useful tool to be able to figure out how to interview people and find out, watch how they respond and figure out, exactly what is going on. So, I figure this class will do really well for my overall career. Appreciate your time.